Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Yeah, on the Kaspa chart, my idea is still that this fourth wave might have bottomed in this lower main support region. We talk about the wave 4 that bottomed here in April, end of April, at around 10.2 cents. So that's the idea. Then we have this ABC structure where the wave 4 might have bottomed and the fifth wave could be unfolding, but it would have to be an ABC structure because we're dealing with a larger diagonal in this larger C wave, okay? So we talk about the fifth wave, wave V of C, that could be unfolding as an ABC structure. Mapping the detailed wave count for an ABC structure is a pretty unproductive exercise. I still attempt to do it. Obviously, we talked about it well, we did say it could be that this here was an A wave of a larger A wave. Yeah? Bear in mind that circle A can be a 3-wave move. It can also be a 5-wave move. This here doesn't really look like a 5-wave move. So the idea is at the moment that circle wave A is unfolding as an ABC structure where the A wave, sub wave A, topped on the 6th of June at around 19.1 cents. We had this B wave corrective pullback into the micro support region, which I communicated at the time, with support at 15.2 cents and 11.6, somewhere in between. We were watching for a reversal. It did actually react to the 50% fib level, a key fib level for a B wave pullback. And from here now, it's possible this wave C has started. Now, okay, this could be a 1-2 setup. All of this might morph into a WXY structure where this is an ABC. There are just too many options. It's just all corrective, which is why it's so important to just to focus on the key levels and the Fibonacci support. So the key level, yeah, if we really have started this C wave to the upside already, this one, yeah, and the B wave indeed bottomed around the 18th of June at around 13.5 cents, then the 13.5 cent level is the absolute key level, okay? So against that level, we could say you might want to focus on higher if you want to trade this. But bear in mind, below that level, it could still be that this larger B is resetting. The white count is preferred. The yellow wave count would only really come into play if we break below the upper support region, which is the support region for the white count, okay? 11.6 cents is here the lower boundary of the upper support area. Any break below that, yeah, could send us into the lower support region. Would that be bearish? Not necessarily, but it would likely lead to a reset of this larger wave 4, which I don't prefer because this just doesn't have the right look, but it's possible. It's all corrective, all choppy, so you can never really rule out another test of the lower support area. Well, if it happens, it might not even go down that much because of the high B wave. Yeah, so let's assume the yellow count is playing out. Then the initial decline into the January lows to around 9.3 cents was an A wave. This here is some kind of an ABC to the upside. And this B wave was high, which topped at around 20 cents recently. Well, the C wave often has the same length as the A wave, so we might only get into the upper third of that lower box between 8.6 and 10.9 cents. So it is, let's say, a fairly strong chart, but there is nothing clear in the short term. But I still added the support zones that can be watched. We still have some parameters to watch. And obviously, in terms of confirmation, further confirmation that we're heading higher here, a break above this B wave top, or the last top, is needed at around 19.7 cents. And if we talk about possible targets, take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave. I mean, at least 25.6 cents. I mean, that's the 100% extension. Better here, like the C wave could even reach the 1.236 or the 1.38 extension. So we talk about the area between the 25.6 cent level and the 32.6 cent level. I just want to take this out, and then yeah, we can keep that on the chart as a resistance area as we go higher. Yeah, but bear in mind there is nothing really clear in the short term, so it's absolutely possible we test the box again. But I gave you the key level, right? I mean, the nearest key level, that's clear, the last swing low, I mean, it's here. 14.6 cents is also key. Okay, 14.6 and then 13.7 cents. Hope that helps. That's my update about Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.